Hello everyone, welcome back to the course on solutions. So in previous video we have studied the osmotic pressure and what does the meaning of osmosis and derived the formula for osmotic pressure, and by using that osmotic pressure formula we can able to calculate the molar mass of the solute, and the formula of that osmotic pressure is given by M2 is equal to W2 RT divided by V. So this is the formula which is used to find the molar mass of the solute with the help of osmotic pressure. So now we will solve the problem on osmotic pressure, and by using that how to calculate the molar mass of the solute. The one of the example here we can see 200 cm cube of an aqueous solution of protein contains 1.26 gram of the protein. The osmotic pressure of the such a solution at 300 Kelvin is found to be 2.57 into 10 raised to minus 3 bar. Calculate the molar mass of the protein. So this is the question where they told that a 200 ml or 200 cm cube of an aqueous solution of protein. A solution of protein is there and its volume is 200 cm cube, and in that solution it contains 1.26 gram of protein. That means 1.26 gram of protein is dissolved in 200 cm cube of solution, and the osmotic pressure of that solution at 300 Kelvin is found to be 2.57 into 10 raised to minus 3 bar. This is the osmotic pressure of that aqueous protein solution. Then what is the molar mass of that protein which is dissolved in that solution? So now first we know the formula to find the molar mass of the solute, and here the solute is protein, and now we have to calculate its molar mass. For that we have to use this formula. Before going to use this formula, first we have to get what they have given. So simply write down all the given things in this problem. So first what they have given, we need to find the molar mass of the protein. We need the value of W2, that is the mass of the solute, and R the gas constant, T temperature, pi osmotic pressure, and V volume. So substitute all those values once you get. But now first what they have given, write down. So mass of the solute, and here first of all they have given volume of the solution, that is 200 cm cube. So volume is equal to 200 cm cube, or you can also say ml. Now here the volume is in ml or cm cube, but you have to convert that in liters. Liters ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So 200 cm cube is equal to how much? How you will convert the ml into liters? So simply divide that volume by 1000. So what you will get? 200 divided by 1000. So you will get 0.2 liters. So this is the volume in terms of liter. Then next, it contains 1.26 gram of protein. So what they have given? W2, that is mass of the solute, because the solute present here is protein. So W2 is equal to 1.26 gram. Okay. Next, the osmotic pressure of such a solution at 300 Kelvin. So 300 Kelvin, that represents the temperature. So T is equal to 300 Kelvin, is found to be 2.57 into 10 raised to minus 3 bar. That indicates the osmotic pressure. So osmotic pressure, it is denoted as pi. So it is 2.57 into 10 raised to minus 3 bar. Okay. Along with that, in this formula, what is there? W2, that is given. T is given, temperature. By osmotic pressure is given. V, volume is also given. And R, it is a constant, and its value is, R is equal to how much? 0.083 liter bar per mole per Kelvin. So this is the value of R. Okay, since the volume is in liters, hence we are using this value 0.083 liter bar mole per Kelvin. Okay, so now these are the values what they have given in the problem. Now by using this, you need to find the molar mass of the solute. So simply use this formula. What it is? M2, that is molar mass of the solute, is equal to W2RT divided by V. So substitute all these values in this equation. What you will get? W2 is how much? 1.26 into R, 0.083 into temperature, how much it is? 300 Kelvin, divided by pi, that is osmotic pressure, how much it is? 2.57 into 10 raised to minus 3 into V, that is volume, 0.2 liters. So substituting all these values, what you will get? You will get 61.022 gram per mole. So this is the molar mass of the solute. Okay. So this is how we can able to solve the problems based on osmotic pressure. How to calculate the molar mass of the solute by using the osmotic pressure. Remember, the osmotic pressure is most oftenly used to calculate molar mass of the solute because its values are very accurate to the actual value. Okay, hence this is one of the best method to find the molar mass of the solute. The second problem on osmotic pressure is calculate the osmotic pressure in pascals exerted by a solution prepared by dissolving 1 gram of polymer of molar mass 1,85,000 in 450 ml of water at 37 degrees Celsius. Okay, so here in this question they asked you to find the osmotic pressure. In a previous question they given osmotic pressure and asked you to calculate the molar mass of the solute. But here they have given the molar mass of the solute and asked to calculate osmotic pressure of the solution. So simply follow the same procedure. First write down the given things. Okay. So what they have given? The solution was prepared by dissolving 1 gram of polymer. Here the solute is polymer and its weight or mass is 1 gram. And the molar mass of that polymer is 1,85,000. So first W2 mass of the solute is given, that is 1 gram. Okay, and molar mass of that solution, molar mass of the solute M2 is 185,000 or 1,85,000. And the temperature is also given, that is how much? 37 degrees Celsius. First convert this to Kelvin. How much it becomes? How you will convert? 273 plus 37. What it gives? 310 Kelvin. Okay. And it is dissolved in 450 ml of water. Volume is 450 ml. So convert this to liters. how much you will get? 0.45 liter. Simply divide it by 1000. You will get 0.45 liters. And what is the value of R? R is, here they have asked you to calculate in pascals, the osmotic pressure in pascals. So in this case, we will take the value of R as 8.314 kilopascal liter per mole per Kelvin. Okay, so this is the value of R when the pressure is given in pascals. Okay, so R is equal to 8.314 kilopascal. But they asked you to calculate in pascals. So convert this kilopascal into pascal. How you will convert that? Kilo into kilo, simply pascal. So 8.314 into 10 raised to 3 pascal liter per mole per Kelvin. So simply multiply this with 1000. That can be written as 10 raised to 3. So upon multiplying with 1000, you will get the value in case in pascals. Okay. Now all these are given things. Now use the formula. What is the formula? M2 is equal to W2 RT divided by pi. But what is need to find? What you need to find? Osmotic pressure. So I will modify this formula and write it as pi is equal to W2 RT divided by M2 P. Okay. So pi I have taken here and M2 I brought here. Now substitute the values of W2, R, T, M2 and V in this formula. So what is W2? W2 is 1 into R is 8.314 into 10 raised to 3 into T, that is temperature is 310 Kelvin. Okay, divided by M2, molar mass of the solute is 185,000 into volume is 0.45. So simplify this. On simplification, you will get 30.96 pascals as osmotic pressure. So this is how you will calculate the osmotic pressure. So these are some examples or problems based on osmotic pressure and also important for exams.